Okay, in front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency number on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then you need to choose Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Contacts and choose Add Contact. Then just click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do that to all the other ones you need the same way. In order to delete one of them, hit this X next to Not Needed One and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!